Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. After discussing about the Pakistani culture, we are going to discuss each provisional culture in detail. The first we have Sindhi culture. People living in the province of Sindh are usually Sindhi and they follow and practice Sindhi culture. Sindh is not a new province. Sindh is very old province. So the culture comes from the Indus Valley civilization. What is Indus Valley civilization? The people living near the Indus River, the Indus Valley, and the behavior of their living is called civilization. So the Sindhi culture originates and comes from the Indus Valley civilization. We get the symbols of Indus Valley civilization in the places like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Sindh is known for its distinct culture, which is strongly influenced by Sufism. In Sindh, many important persons, many important elders, scholars have been passed. Many Sufi akrams have lived over here, like Lal Shahbaz Qalandar, Abdullah Shah Ghazi, and all. An important marker of Sindhi identity for the both Hindus and Muslims, because Sindh has Pakistan's highest percentage of Hindu residents. In Sindh, beside the Muslim, many Hindu people also lived over here, because Sindh was a part of the India before its partition. Now further we are going to discuss about the Sindhi language. Sindhi is not a new language. Sindhi is very old language. The name Sindhi is derived from Sindhu. Sindhi language is also called Sindhu, the original name of Indus River. And what does the Sindhu means? That was the original name of the Indus River. And it was not written as new. It was written about the 2nd century AD. Means the Sindhi language is very old. Now look at the image. Can you recognize the Sindhi letters? Yes, Sindhi letters has many dots. Sindhi letter is somewhat similar like Urdu alif be, but some of the letters have the different pronunciations. Now let's talk something about their wearing. Sindhi women wear shalwar kameez or the sari, and the men wear the shalwar kameez or the kurta with the pajama. However, before the adoption of the shalwar kameez and the sari and the kurta, Sindhi had their own traditional costumes. Sindhi dresses are apparently very good looking in itself. They are identically marked by the symbol of ajrak, topi, koti, and the Sindhi jewelry as well. Ajrak is a unique form of block printing found in Sindh. What is Ajrak? Ajrak is a unique pattern of block printing on the cloth. Ajrak have become a symbol of the Sindhi culture and tradition. The person wearing an Ajrak identify and symbol gives the symbol of that he belongs to province of Sindh or he is representing the Sindhi culture. In the same way, the speciality of the Sindhi caps, they have the small mirror works and embroidery works with a special cuts. These are all the dresses of the Sindhi culture. Yes, yummy. Let's talk something about the food of the Sindhi. The daily food in the most Sindhi household consists of wheat-based flat bread, pulka, rice accompanied by 2 dishes, 1 gravy, 1 dry with the curd and pickle. Yummy. Look at this plate. This is the specialties of the Sindhi people of daily house routine home. They love to eat boiled rice along with the yellow curry and a gravy, that means salan, and roti, they call it pulka. They have something interesting with dahi bade. Pickle means achar. Salad is compulsory. And sweet, they would like to have some sort of thing. Nowadays the variation have been made. Sindhis people love to make the Sindhi biryani, curry, chawal and all. If anyone of you are Sindhi, you take some pictures and send it to me or discuss it. Thank you.